Osunu, waiting they happen.
I serve a God that is powerful, hallelujah. I serve a God that is mighty, yo, yo, yo. This God is too great. Hallelujah. You can call him that miracle, miracle papa. I serve a God that is powerful, hallelujah. I serve a God that is mighty, yo, yo, yo. This God is a good God. Hallelujah. You can call him that miracle. Miracle Papa. Okay, citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, anywhere you there for Nigeria and outside Nigeria, when there is life, there is hope. I there for Benin City, Edo State, South Nigeria. Things they happen. But first of all, we want greet and salute the king of Benin Kingdom, Onobanedo Kwak Pokropolo, Oba Eware, the Oba of Benin Kingdom. We are a deso na Upper Sakpoba na Ikpobaoka local government, and for this quarter when I deso, this place where they call Ugone. It don't dey like this for the past like 100 years, but since this our ginger king come now, because he said this land, what he go use this land do? They call home meeting. We come see him say we just surprised like 2 weeks ago. Women waiting for this locality. All of them they carry table, carry chair, carry table, carry chair. All of them don't they form table. They don't the first shade was sununa, but we call here win, and the win now we they investigate. But first of all the women with the market leaders, they don't thank Omoloba Oba Eware II for this good thing we say don't do for this locality. But I did with one of the popular, when you talk about market women, Madam Blackie, I don't they look for them this morning because of the win when we don't hear for her. But I did with her here. Madam, how you doing?
I did fine.
I greet you.
Well done, thank you very much. Our Oba, our great Oba, the custodian of the Benin. When he like good things, he want make good things they happen for your land. He can't call us. He say he want build market where it go be Sunday market where things go the cheap for the people where you don't go fit afford. Not be everybody they fit afford to the buy things when they cost.
Not be everybody go fit go supermarket.
He say when you go build the market, he say and the poor go fit buy something. You go buy them. You go take care of feed your children. Not be the one the person will come buy something here. You carry and go another market. Go they sell at high cost. That's so our Oba talk by. We can't happy well. So the people went there before they sell wood for here, and the bush went there before. People thieves go they hide, the robbers, and it's 7 o'clock. People don't feel pass here. So our Oba can say make those people come out. They still go give those people part of the land. Say make then they sell their wood. He go come build this market. When he go find, when people go know say yes, now buy why market. So he can't say those people they can't relocate. As they relocate now, the structure where they live, they not demolish am. Now me when I stand here, as the leader of the market women, I go meet Ikpoba chairman. Say make it come demolish the place, so that the place go fine, so that people know still go they hide put. So they do a finish. Me come out I travel. Before I come, people don't carry a table come they say. They for me they say they'll carry table come they put for ground. So people go put 4, 5. Say but they don't enter. They don't even because they want build the place. They want build the place. So when they build the place now, bank go there here, clinic go there here, toilet go there. Now there that's all about proposal, so that the place go fine, so that people now they go see and say yes, this is a real buy wine market.
But market don't start here. People don't they buy they sell something.
Wait, they never build that. When they build that finish, now our Baba, when God go they bless. Now he talk and say he want build that so that the poor go feed they afford something. But the people that they're not patient, they just enter, carry
the
table.
market traders, the market women.
They just enter.
They just enter.
The ones when they go hawk for street before, not them. All of them enter from Mission Road, Lagos Street, all these markets, all of them night park.
Okay, as they talk now, let me say from henceforth now.
When our Baba don't build that for us,
before market
we don't see engineer. When they come, they go build. If they don't remove their things, they're not going to fit work for here.
So when they talk now, say make the market women, make they remove their tables and chairs.
Yes, make they come on.
I see people they bring table. Now I bring table, I see clear, I put my table. So I don't know one, not two, the one where they talk.
You don't pay any money.
I don't pay any money.
You see people they carry table, now you still carry table come.
Yes.
Okay.
I see people.
But this market, where they put for you, you like them?
Na very good market.
You still have table, you still see how they carry.
I carry. That's why I said that they carry table. Cause I carry table.
Now he put you for here.
No, he put me for here.
Before you drop your table, you not drop anything.
No one at all.
I come up for road, make a pass. Come up for road. Now, in case you dey wonder where I dey for Benin City, Edo State, South Nigeria, and I dey for Ikpoba local government. You where they watch us now, you know what they happen for your area. You where they watch us now on Top ITV, you know what they happen for that your location, for that your backyard. But things don't they happen now. But the market women went there for this Ikpoba local government. All of them they happy when they hear the news say market don't there for this location, for this Ugon area. But we don't know who can give them permission when all of them start to look for table and chair where they there for their store, their backyard, they come pack and come here. But we want to thank the Oba of Benin Kingdom for this good suggestion we don't do, because we don't see them say most of our market for Benin City, they don't they congested, they don't too full. That's why you see say people they shade for road. But this one now, so can win where we come the year. We come the year say some people don't they collect money, and the Oba and the palace said they don't send anybody that kind of message. But as they see this kind of market now, they need to build them for modern structure. They need to give them good markets, they need to put bank, they need to put police station. Not be all this kind of package table go there, they go build them hospital, different things go there. That not the plan. But some can win. Can they happen? As I day here now, some people say still they fear to talk. Oh, now be the matter now. What it concern you for this matter?
What it concern me? We not get what we they do for us. So they say me all the old women make they get up, make they come find what they want to do. Now make us carry table come here, call the straight. We surprise now when they pursue us. Only one now they train for children they go no husband. I'm gonna beg God beg me open this market for us. May use God beg me place us me market to me not get husband, me all of them. Cause they find something they do. Now road will be the shade before. So as we see this free market now we be called on the shade. Now they say we carry table come out. We use God beg and beg. We go the manage like this. May forgive us. Any area may for offender. May forgive us. Okay. May we they come out for us.
What it concern you? What can we now? What it concern you for this?
We not come back kina. Me ho we na de we erimaya. Okay kina. Okay ne. Okay ni ma. Owe na we no. Owe no rie ma. Me di meje me be no hu. A ogwa me no gi yawo mo pa vio mi senkia. So me gi be ho agi be kama me ina ade na metebu ina mo ade. I me ro wa bana itie me we ni ade ma we iya we na vie etebu me di gwa inyo mo no ba no rekete no la agogo no fo be manani ma. Anya we omo agbobo yisa afin alele kemi ni magiririu no magideyo ne baba ya bima. So mani kweki ma we no la agogo eri wa.
When you bring your table, anybody collect money from you?
I not like me I talk wetin me dey talk for this market imeta ina we na aswe kina we e wono rekina magbera 700 o oge no rema 500 la no oni emi ni me mi
so to the apple talk wetin concern you for this matter.
I want
talk to me, hear you. Look my camera. Talk to make I talk to this sister. They say the allegation when you come hear me. They say you there among the people when they collect money from inside here. They say you still there among the people when give them table, but this market will come enter here. How you see it?
This market will enter here. So as for me, they're very nice. I thank the Oba of Benin and the first wife, Eson here, the first lady of Benin Kingdom. I thank her very well. On Sunday, last week Sunday, now this place starts. On Monday, they carry grader, come the grader. I drive past. Before I come back, I don't see market to me. All of them, they pack table come. Me park my car for them, now come down. One woman when they sell fish for front, now ask her, who they give the market? He said nobody they give market. Easy for the carry table, can I carry? Now so I drive, go ask, I go carry my OTD table come. I still come boost because myself won't sell. On Wednesday, I be on Thursday, now Madam Blackie come. As he come, he said, who give us rice, may we put it for. And I say, I beg. We see people they put table. Now we say food. He said, how many be my own? I show. He said, I don't forget it. Now one. Even though I want shade here, now one not be till me carry the many things. Come out. That was on Wednesday, I be on Thursday. I come. So as he come see people, all of us, we don't shade. Many people, we don't middle packs or I don't shade. He said no. He said this market said they won't be done. He said they not tell them we they shade down now. Now we call the beg and say we see people they grade down. Now make us come. He said no. That they grade down made it for build down. Now we say how much they make we they pay. He said not tell us make we pay. Oba no say make he collect money for our hand. He not say make we pay. Take up. Me, I'm not
people don't they collect money for you.
Me never see.
People don't they collect money for you.
Collect money. Collect money. Collect money. My brother. Now some of Benin, I beg. We beg you leave this place.
Make them leave the market.
Make them leave for them. They don't want to.
But the truth of the matter be say, as they open this market, capital be don't get work. Capital be don't get work. Alpha, wait that guy. I be bring your two slides. When I come for because of the way market women take need chair and table, capital self they don't they work for here. This na capital. As they say, make they stop first now. How you see how?
And that's how I say Siamo. Yes,
I just when they put the market, you be done they work well.
They work well. They work money they go out.
If they work money they go out.
Yes, so
table and chair. Talk.
On Monday when I go New Benin market, in the morning I just see a crowd of people there here. Now I just contact for boss. What did they happen now? They say Baba Monopa say me want put to market here. Now they carry table they gonna say a quick run go back table. I just run I put her for tuke. Now bring and come. Now I say I beg what they give the shade now. They say nobody fair where you want shade. Now I just catch her one place. I put my table there. One woman come. He said now if I there before now say fair no okay now what they make we share them together. Now we can't share that place. I put my own, I put the woman own. I just go market, go buy yam come. I can't put on. As I put the yam, I begin to say, I can't be happy. Oba talk by, Omaga talk by, Baba got to make it no general. Who got to got by, I just buy my do gay. Oba give we jack away, yeah. I can't be happy, I can't be dancing. On Tuesday, I come again, I shade. I sell market to work with. Wednesday, I come, I sell market to work with. Thursday, I come, I sell market to work with on Saturday. Yesterday, Sunday, I be ready finish. He can't get as my body. Now say today na so they make I rest. Today Monday I go come. When I just see carry my yam come today, I call the hear rumor say they say Baba say make we not shade. I say what it can't they happen now? What it can't they happen? I can't they hear rumor say that they collect money. Now say make una not listen. Oh, they say it too many for market women matter. For me. Since I the shed, I not pay 1 naira. Oh, I go meet TJ say na front I go dey stay. He say anywhere when I like, make I stay. Now I go stay front. I begin to sell my market there. I not see but
so when you carry your table and chair, nobody collect money from you.
No sir.
Nobody use tape measure your space.
No sir.
Also no me want talk. On Monday, now I dey here. So when I reach here, my neighbor tell me say, people don't fool here. Say that they give. So I reach here, people. It be like market. I say me dey house. I don't know what they happen. Where person come see the shade now? They say they know they use money. So I say that they use because say if not money, me not go pay or me not get money when they pay. So I say they use money. Now the contact say nobody they give person shade. If you get table, carry and use a table position where you dey. Now I say if not like that, make me go house. Make me take carry table. My account position where me dey. That Monday when I come, I say Lord where you see reach on Tuesday. Me consistent all this one that here they come. Market all day. Then when you come reach on Saturday, they come say this person they never commissioner say Moloba no say they come say this market be good for we will not to get store like that so. Say we be the manager like that. So when we come today now on Sunday office now they come send they say say they never commissioner now the man come sit talk. Now we come they beg the man may help us ban on Moloba may help us make he leave us may we dey say
shade suppose they suppose build them now. The manager. Time na money, time na money. Hope you for talk, daughter. Hope you for talk.
The very day where we say we
forget about the very day when you carry your table and chair, they collect money for you.
I even carry for class, I clear. We clear, do everything.
I want to go see the table and chair myself. Time na money, time na money, money. Do better thing. Money no they come from heaven. Do better thing. Money go come. Now true word that they tell you so, my sister. Things they happen no.
Give me here. They say I pay 500. I pay 500. The third one they collect 200. The before yesterday, they collect 100. That they collect. See, they collect 500 from my hand before they give me shit. I beg, I don't fit. I beg.
Things they happen.
What do they call her? What they collect for car? What they collect for money? Those he collect 200 from her. That's my name. All of them they collect. I don't know what to do.
That's why I talk there. Some people went there they fear to talk. At the time of the beginning.
I'm a family of Obado. For this time, yes.
They collect money for you. And nobody say no one year that kind of thing. Me, what it concern you for this matter? Now, how you see this matter? We don't happen for this by work market.
What it concern me? The day when since last year, our Abba Ogidigan tell us say he was great. Ugoneri as market. This market where you want put here now for it they go they call they put roti. This what they want say here not be for rich people for poor man. So on Thursday last week, Blackie travel. On Friday I did market when I hear say there's all of the entire Sunday morning. I did church. As I close, I draw call here. When I reach, I met people. They collect money, Blackie not there. Now different people. People where collect money, they are the people where they collect money here before. You hear now? So when I enter, I tell them, say, this table one they put down. When I not put that down, not be like this, they want to build the market. They not here. They begin up. People where they sell for a car, I big all of them. Put table now, their table there. Blackie not collect money from them. People where collect money, I know some of them. And if I see that, we point them. You hear now? So, me, I not say it go be like this because Papa don't talk, say, now this all rough table they want put here. Now, as Oba market be, you don't say me now Oba market yes, be yeah. So as that market be, now so we want make this market be. Yeah. Not be market where they put small table. After they don't build that, they go allocate that to people. Not be buy, make I buy. Direct. Now they want say yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. But we they investigate the matter. This market, you self carry table come do market here?
No. I'm passing. I heard that they said that the Oba said they should remove the table. Yes. I say yes, it's correct because if they want to do market, they have to build the market first. Shade. After shade, there'll be toilet, there'll be bedroom. I mean, the place will look nice. Not like this. It's not good like this.
So you support us, make them move first. Make them build the structure first.
Yes, they should move first. I support.
Okay.
No, people should move. Why will you do that?
No, the government.
Bosuno, waiting they happen.
Okay, my people, anywhere you dey for Nigeria, I dey for Benin City, Edo State, South Nigeria. As I tell you just now, women, traders, they happy with it for Ekpoba local government. This place when I dey so, now one popular place where they say don't dey for over 100 years, they call them Ugoneria, but I dey for Ekpoba local government. And as Oba don't talk, you know, say when this our Oba talk, Gidigan, he not just the talk, in the set in chief, and I deal with the chief essay, make them really tell us the cocoa and the way forward for this our Oba Ewari market. Chief.
Thank you very much. I've given you my name as a Syria of Benin. I and my other 5 able and well-meaning chiefs have been mandated to come to Ogoneria and see what ordinary market people have turned the place to be against what is planning for the whole, not only Benin City, but for the whole state. That it is Sunday market that is earmarking the place for where the have-nots, those who are in wants, will have something to buy at a very at the cheapest prices. That the people here who just came in here, allowing them to be there is frustrating the effort of the palace, which mustn't be. So we have come to carry out the mandate of the Oba to ask the people to live here, and they have been living since we came, and we are still here to ensure that the Omonoba's mandate is carried out to the letter. So that's it. Since the ascension of the Omonoba Nedo Ewari II to the throne of his forefather, you see there are many changes for good. You are feeling, you felt a part, and you are still feeling the part. The things have been going on normally, and both modern and tradition mixed together, and we are all happy for it. So he wants to turn here as a centerpiece of Sunday market.
Bye-bye.
Bosuno, waiting they happen.
I check my blood pressure.
because the way I take the waka from area to area, location to location. Auntie, what are the checks? So?
My blood pressure.
You can't know whether it's too high or it's too low. Hey! Can't check the way the thing they read though. Hey! What's new? Igbo man go say Ogini name me. I felt talk. Say this my waka go they shout, they talk. I need to check myself. No fear, they check my blood pressure. So, what is the result? What will be the result?
High way.
My blood pressure high way. No, not be joking, the joke, sha.
Nah, joke. It's good.
It's good, eh? Yeah. No, we dey on national television. No, as you talk now, people feel fear. So the tea dey normal.
Dey normal. I want to check your sugar level. This one you know they faint so.
Because I don't talk and say all these yama sweet things when they take. Hope not be HIV test you do so.
No, not HIV.
You want to check my sugar level now?
Also, waiting they happen.
You want to get water? There is no light.
Also, waiting they happen.
You want to get water?